2023. So now, ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up is... Our first runner-up is none other than candidate number 4. We are requesting Mr. Tristan Gagambang for the awarding of cash and flowers. No? Okay, thank you so much. Candidate number 4 is our first runner-up. You can now step forward, candidate number 5, as our Single Mom 2023. Congratulations!
May we call on Honorable Fernande Rivero and Miss Maylina Puma to hand on the sash on the stage. And also, I would like to call Gina Rivas to hand on the bouquet of flowers from Kapanalik Agency. Thank you.
Congratulations, candidate number 5. Pag-turnover, no, karon? Basta kaon na to, si
Princess Siton to turn over the crown.
candidate number 5, kindly step forward. Candidate number 5. Ayun, for the turning of the crown. No, turnover
Turnover of the crown of Mr. Rowan Keith Abbott and
Yes.
Ha?
Princess Sito.
From kids to mothers man di ay ni. Uy, grabe ika. Ang ato ang crown kay very resilient, no? I-withstand niya ang age gap.
May I request again, Honorable Fernan Rivero to turn over the crown to our winner. And Mrs. Berlin Roma. Our son of parent president.
Ayun, once again, congratulations, candidate number 5.
Congratulations to all our winners. Now it's time for photo op. Picture sa inyong mga family. At sa itong mga family sa atong mga candidates, pwede na mo mag-picture sa ibabaw sa stage.
Now is your time to take pictures with your family members on stage. Family members, friends. Ayun, once again, congratulations to all our winners. That concludes our Single Mom program. We will resume after a short dinner break. Enjoy your